During a recent nature walk, taking in the autumn colors and enjoying the quiet of the forest, I was thinking how these natural landscapes exemplify all the principles of design: proportion and scale, focal points and sight lines, complementary color schemes, visual weight, contrast and juxtaposition, textures and tactile surfaces, symmetry and asymmetry, flow and anchoring. Observing nature with a designer's eye allows me to create interior spaces that are harmonious, beautiful, and easy to live in.